In today's video, I will show you how to assemble this ankilozarus in a few simple steps. So let's do it. So the first thing you need to do is print the PDF file on two A4 sheets. It's important to print them on A4 as it is up to scale. And once you've printed those two sheets, you can go 3D print the parts. If your printer's bed is 230 by 230 millimeters or more, you can use the file all parts and print them all at once. But if you don't want to print them all at once, or you have a smaller print bed, you can use the individual files and place them on the bed as you will. Once all parts are printed, place them on the sheets of paper we've just printed. The pages are up to scale, and placing the pieces on them would allow you to know which number corresponds to which piece. Then you can start assembling. The assembly process is actually quite straightforward. Assemble the legs, the tail, the head, and the spine. About the spine, I would go from 1 to 10 according to the order, and the only pitfall you have is that the two parts of the spine have this little bump, and the bumps should face each other. I gave it to my 7-year-old child to build, and he was quite successful and enjoyed the process. It took him quite a few minutes, but if you do it yourself, it's probably not more than 5 to 10 minutes. Have fun